Let's create and insert a custom symbol. To start, enter Symbol Build Mode by selecting Build Symbol on the left toolbar. Users can use thousands of custom ISO building blocks to piece a symbol together, modify an existing symbol from the NetSkeme library, or modify a symbol from their own library. Let's start by taking a symbol from the NetSkeme library. You will notice the symbol is no longer grouped, and each piece can be independently edited. You may build using any combination of the libraries and drawing toolbars. From the top ribbon menu, users may add text, specify an insertion point, connection points, add display formats. Note, you must specify a component type, which you may do in the top left portion of the screen. From here, you can either save to a local library on your desktop. If you haven't updated download settings, that will be saved to your Downloads folder, or save to your cloud library. To save to your cloud library, you will need to select the sub-library you'd like to save to. Details on maintaining your cloud library will be discussed in another video. Let's go back to the drawing canvas by selecting Drawing on the left toolbar. From here, you can either insert your cloud library by selecting Data from the Library Explorer, or insert from your desktop by selecting My Symbol and choosing the symbol downloaded in the previous step.